Hello my friends, happy Monday. Welcome to my channel Ocean of Formulas. I'm back with another expression which we are going to solve using PEMDAS rule. For those who haven't gone through my previous video where I have explained what is PEMDAS rule and what is the need of PEMDAS rule, the link is in description below. Now let's start solving this expression from left to right using PEMDAS rule. So first of all we will check for parenthesis. So yes, we have parenthesis here. So we are going to solve that first. So 48 divide by 6 multiply by 2 minus 5 plus 3, that is 8. Now we will check for exponent. We don't have any exponents here. We will check for multiplication and division. So yes, we have multiplication and division both, and multiplication and division both have the same priority. But starting from left to right, whichever comes first, we will solve that first. So here we have division first, so we will solve this first. So 48 divided by 6, that is 8, multiply by 2 minus 8. Now in this expression we will solve multiplication first. So 8 multiplied by 2, that is 16 minus 8. So we got our answer 16 minus 8, that is 8. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.